How to delete recipient in Remitly. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete your recipient in Remitly, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete recipient in Remitly, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Remitly application here. Once you launch the Remitly app, you're going to be able to see this sort of interface where what you basically need to do is just make sure that you're signed into your Remitly account. And once you're signed into your Remitly account, what you want to do is just come to the Recipients tab over here. Once you come to the Recipients tab, right over here, you'll be able to see your current recipient. Now what you need to do is you just need to tap on this recipient option, and if you want to delete them, tap the edit button here. Once you tap on edit, if you just scroll down to the bottom, you'll find this option here that says delete. So all you have to do is tap on delete. Tap the delete option and this recipient will get successfully deleted. You can repeat the process for any of the other recipients you might have. This way you can delete recipient in Remitly. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.